Olena.
Hi, Abby. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm very good. Thank you. I'm super excited to learn what we're going to do today from you. Yeah.
Today, let's do a bit of an experiment.
I
Um,
love
I remember,
experiments.
I remember last time when we were talking, you asked a question about the sync button in Design Studio. When do we need to click it?
Oh,
And you
yeah.
have an answer. I don't have an answer. And um, at least some of the things that we want to try. Some of them I know do we need to sync it. Some of them I don't. I think today let's just try to experiment these.
Yeah,
Uh,
let's do it. I kind of have my own hypothesis about this
okay.
and let's just I'm happy to actually go and test
Let's just
this
do it.
on.
Do you want to tell me your hypothesis
Yeah,
beforehand, please?
that's not a secret. I do believe that everything which we'll do at the back, not in design studio, is required to be synced. And everything, for example, in your list, you have something which is happening in VS Code. On my opinion, if we don't sync, it's not gonna appear on a page. But or if you do something in Power Pages Management app, in this case, it's basically I'm not making changes in the Design Studio. So I believe you need to sync. But everything which you do in Design Studio, I think you just press on preview and refresh page, and you don't need to press the sync button. That's how I feel. This is the right answer. But let's see. Let's see
Super
how.
interesting. Let's. Okay. Should we go ahead and try it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's
So
try.
let's start with the first item, like a navigation change. You can change navigation, and you were showing it last time in VS Code as well. But here we meant the navigation change in the Design Studio. So
First thing we're trying, change the navigation. Let's say we just maybe add a new page.
mm-hmm.
Let's go with this. If we add contact us
Mm-hmm.
and add it to the navigation at the same time, it does
Mm-hmm.
show in the
Yes.
preview already. Now
Mm-hmm.
let's try to preview the site without
Yes.
clicking button. It does show contact us.
Yeah. The first thing is working. Okay, let's never press the sync button, then we edit the navigation in Design Studio. Let's just try to not do this bad thing. Okay, so what's the next item in our list? Can you show? Add a new page we already,
We
but
did
they changed navigation, so we kind of ticked boxes for both items.
it.
Let's just try to table permission. It sounds scary and it's related to the security. Actually,
Yeah.
the visibility of pages, it can be another one, but let's just do table permissions. It's kind of,
I
yeah, we need a table. Maybe put the contact, something on the contact us page, some table, or
yeah.
maybe.
Maybe on the contact us, let's do a customization right now. Since we're doing the things in a different order right now, maybe we can let's do a add a form onto the page first.
Yeah.
On contact us, we will go ahead and put a form.
Actually, if you choose something, choose AI, something for fun, and say
Yes.
contact us. Yeah, let's just do it. It's gonna generate something for us. Put in the description or
Great.
prompt saying create. Yeah.
Contact
Contact.
us, including phone number and email. Let's see what this does.
Happening. This
Right.
is our form.
Yeah, it's creating.
Amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, let's
Should
go
we
ahead.
click OK? Yes.
Mhm.
It's not like I don't think it's an item in our list because it may just work differently for AI. I'm not aware of the differences, but let's just see now we have another item saying we're generating form with AI. Do we need to sync or it's going to be just okay if we just click on preview?
See.
Oh, it takes more than a few moments, but I have it lots of trust in the thing. Yeah, okay. Do we need to save it somehow or we don't? Okay, let's not sync.
Let's not sync.
Yeah,
Let's not sync.
let's not
I'll
sync.
just come to this page and I will click Control
Refresh.
F5 to refresh.
Oh yeah, we do have this awesome form now.
Yes. And without thinking, without click sync button.
So yeah, let's just, yeah, again, sync button. We know we don't need to use you. Then we do something with AI, like generating form. But maybe it created automatically permissions for us or not? Can we check the permissions?
Yeah, let's
It has
check.
no, it has a for the form. Okay.
Oh, sorry. It has
It
it on
had
the
it
form.
on the form. Yeah, it had it as a tab. For then you try to edit the
Yeah.
form. Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
It
Now we
does
can
not
add
have
table permission.
permissions. I don't know
So
how is this possible, but okay.
does it mean that if I try to submit something?
That should probably tell you off, right? Something is going on. It's very interesting why it looks like there's somewhere is a table permission. Maybe you should go to the security to see what's going on.
Yeah.
Let's just go to the security area and let's have a look.
Table permissions.
Um, it's
That's
kind of,
interesting. How does
yeah,
it?
yeah, it is very interesting. Not definitely not something we planned. I think we
Mhm.
should do more investigation about this specific topic because
Mhm.
so we can try then we are like slightly change the direction of our conversation just because we are not sure what's going on, and I'm sure you are also curious about what is going on.
It's creating a table called
Yeah,
Copilot.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Contact
yeah,
us
yeah.
and
And what about
actually
permissions?
table permissions. There's nothing.
Does not exist. Okay, we will I think we will address our concerns in a different meeting. So how about maybe Copilot does not obey table permissions? We should ask some authorities this question. Let's just go back to Abby. Can we just go back? No, stay here. Now we want to change something at the back right here, something
Mhm.
which we want to change on this form, but it's not as simple as I'm saying that. So maybe we should change it somewhere on the page instead, on the contact us page, for example, localized content. And here we want to add something in the HTML saying in the content.
Mhm.
I don't know, God knows what, or change the title, or yeah,
And
on top, yeah, just put the H2 in H1 in there and say something like, we don't know what's going on anymore, Copilot, where's our table permissions?
modify. Where's our table?
Modified at the back, modified from the app,
Through, yeah. So
through the app.
from
Yeah,
the Power Pages
just
management app.
management. Yeah,
Yep.
and let's just save, and I'm pretty sure these changes will require sync. Let's just try to do without sync first.
Mhm. And I will use Control F5 to refresh.
Yeah,
Make sure there's no. Yep.
yeah.
There's the.
There is
It's
nothing
showing.
changed. So now we can go to Design Studio and click on this magic button. For the very first time, we're clicking finally, and whoever was waiting for us to do this, we are finally doing this. We synced, and let's just try to refresh the page. And abracadabra, yay! See, definitely so far,
Mhm.
I was right.
Yes. Yeah.
We have a couple of more experiments to conduct. Maybe what
Add
we
a new column through Power Pages Studio. I guess we can modify the form so on the through the data here directly.
another field is company, say company name. New table column, remember we wanted one.
Mhm.
Say company name.
And let's just use text field for
Yeah, yeah,
simplicity
yeah.
now.
Okay, we're actually doing it in Design Studio, but there's a table structure we're changing.
Yeah.
Try to resist pressing the sync just yet
Okay, I
and
think we
click
still
on,
need to click save and publish
yeah,
for
let's do
customization.
that.
Mhm.
Sure.
So we basically made a form customization change through Design
Mm-hmm.
Studio. And
Mm-hmm.
let's see. Without
Yeah, let's
clicking,
do not click the sync just
I
yet, but
did not.
did you, yeah, preview and refresh then.
Yeah. And I'll do Control F5 here.
And we have a company
Just-
name here, so it does work. Like we changed the basically a table structure. We changed where to the column. I think
why
this
don't I-
just
Can I add another item on this? I wonder
try,
if
of
I
course.
just customize the form through Maker's Portal, what
Yeah.
would happen? Do you
Okay.
think we need to sync on that?
Make a portal. What do you mean?
I
Oh,
mean, solution.
ooh. Okay, that's a good one. Let's do this.
Let's try it. Let's go with it's this form, and I change the label to that. Save
Mm-hmm.
and publish. Make sure I save and publish. and wait for the publish to finish.
Mm-hmm.
And do you want to recap what we just did?
Oh yeah, we'll try. We tried to do it once and we failed. We changed a label on the form for Copilot contact us table. We have a form and we had company name in there. We changed it to the company and we did it via solution. Now we want to go to the portal, refresh the page and see if we need
I'll
to do
go.
something else to get the changes to the portal page. And the answer is no. And I'm very
Yes.
surprised. I'm very surprised. Let's try to change something else via solution again. Can we?
Yeah. So I'm still opening this from the
Can you
solution
try
directory.
to hide company description or something?
Okay. Let's try to hide this. Hide this.
Now
Hide.
we have no inquiry type on the form anymore. And
I'll hide
we
the
try.
preferred contact method as well.
Okay.
And then save and publish.
What a
What do you think?
magic. I
What do
I don't
That's
know
a
what to
surprise.
I don't know what see there's something I don't know. And
Yeah.
it's always a
And
very
we,
pleasant surprise to learn something
yeah.
new.
So
And
basically just now we
can
did
you
a form
refresh? Did
customization.
you refresh already?
I haven't. Let's try. I save and publish.
No,
Let's
wait, can you show me this the controls in there? They
It's gone.
disappear, they're
Yes.
gone. So we didn't even show
We didn't
people they
even.
were there. But okay.
Okay,
Now
let's
we did.
do we want to unhide it? We
Yes.
can hide them again.
So guys, it's kind of black magic here happening, and I think it's great because this is definitely a new knowledge for me. And we yeah, save and publish,
Yeah.
and we go back to the page and refresh it.
We don't
You could
have the
we
preferred
don't have
contact
those
method.
controls
I
there. We
don't have
just
those.
yeah, just showing you that there is not something we've done. Oh, Abby, what's going on?
Not
Can we
look like
try
it's
again?
very consistent. Let's
Can
see.
we try again? Oh, it's
It
there
does. It
still.
takes a little while to come.
It does take a little while, but we didn't need to press the sync button.
Yes, we didn't. We basically did a form customization for a form used on the portal without going to Design Studio, and the form change does go through.
Awesome. This
That's
is
a
great. Yeah, that's very interesting. Do we what is left in our magic list or Santa list?
um
What didn't we try? I think the VS Code would be something which is gonna the last item. Let's just do VS Code change.
yeah,
We tried
yeah.
many things which we didn't plan. We tried AI and we tried solution, which is great. But let's just try VS Code, like
Yeah,
something which we can edit in VS Code. Do you want to try header or want to try something else?
we try footer this time.
Okay. Yeah. We can just put the some, I don't know what, I don't,
Let's just put where is the we can
this,
change the footer and footer content snippet as well, both of them.
yeah, we can just put something within a div. Oh no, it's, yeah, something, not in an editable snippet just next to it. And yeah, span saying
Saying
sync or no sync. This is
do
the
we
question.
need to
To
click sync?
sync.
Tell
Let's
us.
see. It's a very
Yeah,
good question, and I'm not sure I know any answers anymore after what we've just seen with the
yeah,
solution. Solutions are powerful tools, guys. We encourage you, like we completely forgot to use solutions, but we always do in real life because this is how we package
yes,
things to move across environments, to not
exactly.
lose any components or anything on the way. Okay, so what do we do now?
At the same time, I also want to modify the content snippet, which is
Okay,
referred inside the template.
okay.
I'll just say all right reserved and modified content snippet. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go back to Design Studio without, see, it's showing me that. So
I think because it's showing us this, it's safe to assume that we do need to sync. But if you just refresh this
yeah,
page,
right now it's displayed like that. Just say copyright and
yeah,
copyright reserve.
I would be very unsurprised. And this is probably something I really expected to see because it's something which is unexpected. See, guys, there's a Christmas miracles here. We didn't click a sync and it's still synced. So I think I demand some answers from people who are supposed to know these answers. But this is cool.
This is
Abby, I think we should wrap it up because it's quite a long video. And I think, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. We didn't get our answers from this experiment, but at least we know that everything. It's not like the answer. I guess it depends.
things more like there are more scenarios that we don't really need to think than I
Yeah,
originally
I
anticipated.
think we can offer you a tool is saying, please refresh it first, the page first, don't sync, and if it's not there, try to sync and see if it's there. And I think comment in our
Yeah.
channel, subscribe to us, and come to talk to us. Come talk to us about your curious scenarios for sync, not sync. Yeah,
Hi,
hey.
hi, Olena. Hi, everyone. We are recording this on a different day now, and we did more investigation, research, and and we are still confused at the moment. Olena, do you want to tell us what you think right now about this topic? When do you really need to think?
I I feel like it's the more I read and watch videos, it's getting more and more confusing. It's all about think button, and we did our investigation and we did some exercises on different scenarios, and we recorded the video. And after recording the video, and there is a great video from Nicholas Hajduk, which we will post the link to this video as well. You try to watch the video, all the videos, and let us know what you think. But it is very confusing in a way. Like if you're the only developer on a project, it seems like if you make changes within a design studio, like you're safe. Then if you go outside the design studio and make changes, then you come back to design studio. You need to press the button. Think.
Mhm.
Am I right, Abby?
Safer to click with our experiments. Some of them does show, some of them doesn't. It's always safer to click it to show it in the editor in to have the change to show in the editor in Design Studio. That's how I feel right now.
They it's getting even more strange than you think about the team of developers working on the project, right, and making changes to the website. Then in this situation, if multiple developers are working each on in a design studio on the multiple pages, then you pretty much it's required for you to click a sync button because every time they make changes in their design studio, and your design studio doesn't know about this. That's what
Mhm.
I think now. So it is even more confusing, and on top of it is a cleaning cache in the design studio and for the website. So let us know what you think.